Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about one of the most brilliant minds in history, Sir Isaac Newton. But before we dive into his incredible achievements, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a simple question: who really is Isaac Newton? Who is Isaac Newton? I know, you've probably heard of him before. He's the guy who discovered gravity, right? Well, that's only part of the story. Newton was a true polymath, a master of many fields, including mathematics, physics, astronomy, and even theology. He was a towering figure in the scientific revolution, and his work laid the foundation for much of modern science. Early life. Newton was born in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England, on Christmas Day, 1642. His father was a yeoman farmer, and young Isaac grew up in a modest household. Even as a child, he showed a keen interest in science and mathematics. He built sundials and water clocks, and he was fascinated by the movement of the planets and stars. In 1661, Newton went to Trinity College, Cambridge, where he studied mathematics and natural philosophy. He quickly distinguished himself as a brilliant student, and he soon began to make his own discoveries. In 1665, he invented the calculus, a powerful mathematical tool that is still used today. The scientific revolution. Newton's most famous work is undoubtedly his book Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, published in 1687. In this book, he presented his three laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation. These laws revolutionized our understanding of the physical world, and they are still the foundation of classical mechanics today. Newton's discoveries had a profound impact on the world. They helped us to understand the motion of the planets, the tides, and the behavior of falling objects. They also led to the development of new technologies, such as the steam engine and the rocket. Legacy. Isaac Newton died in 1727, but his legacy lives on. He is considered one of the greatest scientists of all time, and his work has had a profound impact on the world. He was a man of immense intellect and creativity, and he was driven by a relentless curiosity about the natural world. So, who is Isaac Newton? He is a brilliant scientist, a master of many fields, and a towering figure in the history of human thought. He was a man who changed the way we see the world, and his legacy will continue to inspire us for generations to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.